Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial showing you how to screen share in Pencil Spaces. First, navigate to the screen sharing icon below your video. When you hover over it, it should say screen share. Then you'll see a pop-up showing you a few different options. You'll have the ability to choose between sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a specific Chrome tab. In this case, we will share a specific window. Just select the screen that you want to share and click the Share button. Once you share your screen, you'll see two different indicators. First, you'll see a blue circle around the screen sharing indicator showing you that a screen share is active. You'll also see the screen share pop up as another video feed. At the bottom of your screen, if you're using Chrome, you'll also see a small indicator telling you that pencilapp.com is sharing a window. You could either click the Stop Sharing button to turn off your screen share, or you can just hide this. If you'd like you or your participants to expand your screen share, you can do so by clicking the Expanded Window button below your video. It should look like a double-sided arrow on the bottom left of your video. This will automatically bring you into a gallery mode, but if you want to open a speaker view, just hover over the video that you want to expand and click the pin icon. This will automatically bring it into a speaker mode. I can also access a full screen view, which gives me a fully immersive experience. Just hover over the video like before, and instead of clicking the pin icon, click the full screen icon next to it. Now I've expanded the full screen. To exit the full screen view, just go to the bottom left corner and click Exit Full Screen. Now to go back to the whiteboard and exit the gallery view, click Back to Board on the bottom left. Keep in mind that in Pencil Spaces, multiple people can screen share at the same time. If you don't want your participants to be sharing their screen, just go to the participants list, which you can see at the top right corner, and then navigate to permissions. You should have access to this if you are a host. Once you go into the permissions list, click the checkbox next to screen share. Make sure that it's unchecked to disable screen sharing, and then update your changes at the bottom right corner. Now, none of your participants will be able to screen share. If you want to re-enable screen sharing for your participants, just click the screen share button again, make sure that it's checked, and update your changes. Now participants will be able to screen share. Lastly, let's go over how you can stop your screen share. Just click on the blue indicator again where it says screen share, and then click Stop Screen Sharing. Then you'll see the screen share disappear from the video feeds, and it will no longer be visible. That is it for today's tutorial showing you how to screen share in Pencil Spaces. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to add them in the comment section below. We hope that this was helpful, and thank you for watching.